Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit accounts in Xero, whether you need to update account names, adjust codes, or modify tax settings. This process gives you full control over your chart of accounts to keep your financial records organized and accurate. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the login credentials associated with the Xero account where you want to edit your chart of accounts. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see several menu options. Click on Accounting. This will open a drop-down menu with various accounting-related features. From this drop-down, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your financial accounts are stored and managed. You'll now be directed to the Chart of Accounts page. This page displays a comprehensive list of all the accounts currently set up in your Xero account. You'll see categories like assets, liabilities, income, and expenses, each containing the individual accounts you've created or that came with your Xero setup. Take a moment to browse through and locate the specific account you want to edit. To edit an account, simply click directly on the account name. This action will trigger a small window to appear on your screen. This is the Edit Account Details window, and it's where you'll make all your modifications. Within this window, you have several options available to customize your account. You can adjust the account type, which determines how the account is categorized in your financial reports. You can also modify the account code, which is useful for maintaining a consistent numbering system across your accounts. Additionally, you can change the account name to something more descriptive or relevant to your business needs. If you want to provide more context about the account's purpose, you can add a description in the designated field. You also have the ability to configure tax settings, which is particularly important for ensuring your transactions are reported correctly for tax purposes. Beyond these basic settings, you also have the option to customize how this account appears in your Xero interface. If you want quick access to this account, you can show it on your dashboard by clicking the checkbox next to that option. This makes it easier to monitor frequently used accounts at a glance. There's also a checkbox that allows you to show this account in expense claims, which is helpful if employees need to select this account when submitting expenses for reimbursement. Once you've finished making all your changes, click on Save. This will apply your edits and update the account across your entire Xero system. Any future transactions or reports will now reflect these modifications, ensuring your financial data remains accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've successfully edited an account in Xero, giving you better control over how your financial information is organized and displayed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.